Hey guys, welcome to the course. My name is Kiran Gowri and I am your instructor for this course. Alright, in this series, we cover all the basics of Python from variables to loops to function, everything. And by the end of the series, you should be able to running Python code. After you know the basics, you should be able to go in any field of Python you want. Work with Python is tremendous. You can create games, website, you can use data manipulate, you whatever you want. Python has tons of models, tons of fun stuff for the to do. And I am glad you have chosen Python. So let's get started. The first thing you need to is install Python. Let's go ahead and search for Python on your Google browser. Look at the first link. It's going to be python.org. This is official website of Python. Here we are going to click on downloads. This is the latest version of Python 3.8.5. Click here to download for Windows. Hopefully things aren't different. I think older versions of Python also exist, but again I like using latest version. This is the older versions of Python. You can download it. It's all up to you, whatever your computer you have. Here we see the Python for Windows, Python for Mac, and Python for other platforms. Just go ahead and download the file that you want. I have already installed Python. Go ahead and start it. When you are done, open your application up. Here folder is you will working IDE. I personally don't like Python's IDE. As you can see, this is the Python 3.8.5. It's nice, it's very functional, it has a lot of things you can do with it, but I personally don't like it. So, it's all going to be install our own IDE. Open Chrome new slide, and when we are going to installing PyCharm. If you guys want PyCharm, that's fantastic. It's by company known as JetBrains. The JetBrains has a ton of software. Click on first website. So this is the official website of PyCharm. So I am going to click on download. There are two versions of PyCharm. First is premium professional version, and second one is community version. I am going to download community version. You can download any one you want. So I am already installed PyCharm. Alright, so now that you have installed PyCharm, go ahead and open it. Now that we have it where we install, I have read it over here, so I am going to go ahead and select it. This is the interface of PyCharm. Here we can see create a new project. I am going to name the file hello world, and the interpreter will be 3.8 of our version. If you not got here interpreter, then click on three dots. Again click on three dots. And here we have to paste the complete path of the interpreter where it download. Then click on OK. Then again click on OK. So here our interpreter is set. So hit the create button. Fantastic. So this is our hello world project. I am going to talk too much about how Python works and stuff, but if you select this has nothing it. So create a new file and call it hello world. So right click here on project and select the Python file. Here we write file name hello world. Here we see the file name hello world.py. This is the extension for Python file. Great. I want to type one simple command, print hello world. Save this and just go ahead and run it. If you are on Mac, you can do Ctrl Shift R, and if you are Windows, you could hit run over here. It should be very simple and fantastic. We got here hello world in our console. Alright guys, thank you so much. I will see you in next video.